As we get ready to close the books on February, let's take a look at the month of March as far as the outlook goes here. And again, we are going to see the potential for temperatures remaining above average off to our south. And for our neck of the woods here, the northern plains, upper Midwest, overall, we are going to see conditions rather much on the drier side here, and those temperatures as well could be either on the warmer side or on the cooler side. And a lot has to deal with dependent on any type of major systems that look to develop across the parts of March. Again, if we stay somewhat on the drier side here, we're going to see that temperature trending upward here over the next few weeks here. And overall, we are tracking that precipitation trend to, again, lack here as we go throughout at least the first half of March. Looking at our snowfall comparison here, areas across the southern plains and central plains picking up quite a bit of snowfall this year. Check out Omaha coming in at nearly that 50-inch mark. Meanwhile, Sioux Falls coming in at 30 inches of snow. You go up to the northern plains across a good chunk of North Dakota, the northwestern tier of Minnesota here, and we are severely lacking in the snowfall department this season. And of course, even throughout the fall month, if you take the actual liquid precipitation, it has been lacking as well. You go over towards the Great Lakes, though, thanks to some lake effect snow and some more moisture systems that has created some more higher snowfalls. Check out Madison coming in at just over 40 inches of snow. Chicago, 47 inches of snow this season, and 63 inches up into Duluth. And as we go throughout this first week of March, we are going to see the temperatures dipping down this weekend as we close out February, thanks to a nice dip into our jet stream. And then as we go into the first part of March here, we're going to see what's called the ridge here building up into our north. And as that jet stream starts to move its way northward, that'll help to pump up some milder air from the south, and that'll get us some nice 40s and 50s working its way into parts of the Dakotas and parts of Minnesota as well. And this pattern looks to persist right on throughout the first full week of March, going forward into the first full weekend of the month of March as well. Here's a look at our temperature outlook. Again, well above average temperatures can be a favorite across much of the plain states, much of the upper Midwestern states, and the precipitation outlook here, again, as we close out February and go in throughout the month of March as well. The first half, we're going to see those precipitation outlooks remaining well below seasonal average. So this is what we're tracking. Again, snow-eating temperatures can be expected as we go throughout the next 1 to 2 weeks, and this will be highly dependent on any storm systems that do develop. If we stay relatively on the quieter side, we're going to see these temperatures spiking up, and that's going to allow these snow belts to begin to dry up any snow that's currently out there, and that'll bring us some nice warming temps as we head into spring.